Dear marketer, how would you like to get your hands on a world-class AI-based email autoresponder that allows you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers straight into the primary inbox? Everything fully automated in just minutes. You know the revenue's out there and you know email can help you get it. But you don't know how to get the best autoresponder that automates everything at the push of a button. The sad truth is that many thoughtful email campaigns become inbox wallpaper. It only takes a few mistimed or off-target emails before your audience starts to tune them out. Email marketing tools just cost you more time and money instead of saving them. Whichever it is, your struggle is genuine, and to overcome it, we've done all the hard work for you. A genuine solution that will make your life a little easy. Imagine if in minutes from now you could have your very own autoresponder that comes with pre-configured dedicated SMTP servers and dedicated IPs, getting you unlimited sales and leads. Introducing Mailerkit. Mailerkit, a powerful email marketing platform that combines two cutting-edge technologies in one. Individual IP and spam trap, and get 50 times higher open rates. Mailerkit is a powerful first-ever smart autoresponder with free SMTP that empowers entrepreneurs and business owners to automate and send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers with just one click. Yes, you heard right. No monthly fees, no restrictions. Free SMTP, individual IP and spam trap technology, unlimited emails campaigns, unlimited subscribers, unlimited lists, unlimited list imports, unlimited email sending. All you need to do is log in and watch the magic happen. Everything is set up for you. So with access to Mailerkit, get ready to 1. Skyrocket your email open rates and click rates 50 times and completely customize your email marketing automation. 2. All your emails delivered straight to your customer's inbox with inbuilt spam trap technology. 3. Never again get blocked and reduce your spam scores. 4. The free SMTP service will enable you to send unlimited emails and make sure they're read. 5. Run unlimited promotional campaigns, all automated in a few steps. 6. Design beautiful emails with inbuilt easy drag and drop editor and templates. 7. No chance of IP address getting blacklisted because of sending bulk emails. Finally, it's time to stop spending time and money on third-party software and ones that don't deliver what they promise. Grab hold of this breakthrough tool that will boost your email marketing efforts 50 times more and send unlimited emails using your own IP address at no monthly fee. Email is still the holy grail of any business. Even in 2021, it reigns at the top. Statistics show some businesses earn up to $42 from each dollar spent in email marketing. On average, 51% of companies are currently using automation. 64% of B2B respondents say they're using email automation techniques. Every business that makes big owes its success to email marketing. Hence, it's crucial that you have the right autoresponder. Yes, because if your email doesn't deliver in inbox, you're losing lots of traffic, customers, and big money. So how will your emails deliver right in your customer's inbox at the push of a button and without paying a high monthly recurring fee? With our product. Mailerkit is a cloud-based, fully featured autoresponder that will skyrocket your email conversions and completely transform the way you do email marketing. What's more, it's newbie-friendly and comes at a one-time low investment with a free SMTP. That's incredible! Can't get any better than this. Mailerkit comes jam-packed with these incredible features. Free SMTP, cloud-based mobile responsive, drag and drop email templates editor, embedded subscription form to your own website, individual IP address and spam trap technology, third-party integration with Mailgun, Mailgen, etc. Get hundreds of pre-designed templates, list management, reports and analytics help you track your opens and clicks, Marketing automation for business enhancement. Autoresponder features to effortlessly manage all your contacts and operations. This product will explode your lists, clicks and sales with every email you create. Set this up today and you could be tapping into billions of people around the world. We're offering you a cost-effective solution with zero limitations and even more features, and easier to use than anything on the market right now. Mailerkit comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have 30 days to try and test. Start using Mailerkit instantly to send unlimited emails with your own built-in SMTP and add unlimited subscribers and start making money with this right away. It normally takes thousands of dollars to create software like this and months of waiting for designers and coders to create such a thing. And we're giving it to you for a nominal price of $67. Can it get better than this? Yes, it does. So waste no more time. Grab Mailerkit and transform your email marketing. Get 50 times more open and click rates now. We can't wait to see you making super money with this breakthrough software.